In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find recurring payments in PayPal. If you've ever wondered about those regular payments that just seem to appear on your transaction history without a second thought, this guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clue. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the GCash to PayPal linking error. If you've been trying to connect your GCash account to PayPal and encountered some roadblocks, don't worry, I'm here to help you navigate through the process smoothly. It can be frustrating when things don't work as seamlessly as they should, but with a few straightforward solutions, you'll be back on track in no time. First things first, ensure that both your GCash and PayPal accounts are verified. Verification is essential because these platforms need to confirm your identity to protect your transactions and personal information. For GCash, this usually means you've submitted the necessary identification documents and completed any required identity verification steps. For PayPal, check that you've added and confirmed an email address and linked a bank account or card. Next, let's open the GCash app. Once you're in, navigate to the Profile section. This is where you'll manage links for different services. Here, you should see an option for My Linked Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. If your PayPal account is already listed but isn't functioning correctly, try unlinking it first before attempting to link it again. This refresh can sometimes resolve minor issues the first time around. With that done, make sure your internet connection is stable. It can sound trivial, but a strong connection is pivotal when dealing with these kinds of platform integrations. Connectivity hiccups can cause disruptions during the linkage process, leading to potential errors. Next, head over to the Profile tab again and click on My Linked Accounts one more time. Here, you will see PayPal as an option to link. Click on it and prepare your PayPal credentials, as you'll need them for the connection. You'll be redirected to log into your PayPal account. Make sure you're entering the correct information, the email and password associated with your PayPal account. After logging in, you'll likely be asked to confirm the link between your accounts. Go ahead and approve this confirmation. At this point, if everything goes smoothly, you should see a success message on your screen, indicating that your GCash account is now linked to PayPal. Now, if you're still facing the linking error, clear the cache of your GCash app. Go to your device settings, find the application manager, select GCash, and hit Clear Cache. Then, try linking your accounts once more. This can resolve any underlying issues caused by outdated or corrupted app data. Lastly, if you continue encountering issues, it might be worth reaching out to the customer support teams of either GCash or PayPal. They can provide specific insights or assistance tailored to your account's needs. Often, a technical glitch might be the culprit, and they'll be your best resource for resolving it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to fixing the GCash to PayPal linking error. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this guide helps you connect your account seamlessly.